Yeah, what's going on? So today we got a video by PoliceActivity. The title of it is Fake Cop Handcuffs Drunk Man Gets Himself Arrested by Atlanta Officers, man. I don't know what it is, man. A lot of people like to be fake cops, you know what I'm saying? They want to be cops so bad, but they probably out of shape or mentally ain't right, so they can't pass the, the psych exams or whatever. But man, it's not that hard to become a police officer nowadays if that is your desires. They're desperate. They'll take anybody nowadays, you know what I'm saying? Because nobody wants those jobs.
What's going on, ma'am?
Somebody just hit us at the red light. This my husband.
Is he okay? Sir? He in handcuffs? Why is he in handcuffs?
I can't answer no questions, sir.
Hold on 1 second. Leave him there. 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 Radio, can I get a photo of my location? I have a black male with lacerations to his face.
Got him the fuck out of there is what happened. Is what I would bet money on.
Who took the handcuffs off?
I don't know. Yo, whose car is this?
Huh?
Whose car is this? Hey, how did he wind up in handcuffs, Left? How did he wind up in handcuffs?
Sir, we just left the strip club.
Which strip club?
Peaches.
Peaches? Okay. I got you. Over on RDA?
Yeah.
I got you. Okay. Did you guys get into it with security over there?
Sir, I don't know.
Okay.
All I know is that's my husband.
Gotcha. Say less.
I'm going to grab your
Appreciate it.
I don't know.
Okay, that's fine. You're good.
I mean, I don't know. I understand not answering questions, if you've been doing something shady or whatever, but it seems like they're the victim. So I don't understand why she wouldn't be cooperative.
What's this? 1306 radio. Fuck around like you using car? What do you work for?
Homeland.
Okay. Did y'all have some shit up here a little bit ago? Male and female get into it with anybody?
Yeah. Sure
Left
did.
in a pair of handcuffs?
Yeah.
All right. What was the story with that?
They were just drunk.
All right.
And
Whose handcuffs is he wearing?
mine, he took off. He jumped in the SUV and took off.
Yeah. I mean, it's Metro to Fair, so like almost down to 166.
Mm-hmm.
Wiped out real hard.
And
Hurt some people, hurt themselves.
Oh.
All right. Here's what I want you to do for me, okay? Here's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna take your firearm off your side. Okay?
Okay.
You got just syrup right here.
Yeah.
All right. Place that in my car. I'm gonna detain you for right now.
Okay.
All right. Right now, you are not under arrest. You're just being detained for the further investigation here. Do you have a key to your handcuffs?
In the car.
Keys in the car?
Yeah.
If you made it this far in the video, I know that you're enjoying it. We're going to get right back to it in a second, but I just want you to do a couple of things. First things first, make sure you hit that subscribe button, hit that bell notification, hit all. Then, if you're enjoying the content, make sure you check out our members-only content. You would click on join, check out our supporter package for $4.99, where you get badges, custom emojis, you're just showing your gratitude to the channel. Comment priority. You know I do not comment very often on videos, but I will reply to you. If you have any video suggestions, you can definitely let me know. We will get to it. And early access to all new videos. Now check out VIP. You get everything in the supporter package, but you also get member shoutouts, right? I will shout you out on the video, and members only exclusive videos. Now that I've explained all that, thank you so much for your support. Let's get back to the video.
Who's the radio through?
eBay. Nobody.
Okay. It's not a Homeland radio?
No.
Okay.
It's through eBay. What? It's through eBay. Look, Yeah, that's not how it go, bro. That's not how it go, bro. If you listen, if you in law enforcement, your radio and things like that would be department issued. The only things that, you know, you might be able to get away with is maybe like your handcuff like holder, or like maybe, you know, if you wanted a different duty belt or something, like, I don't know, something like that, or maybe like a different key clip, you know. But your stuff like your actual handcuffs would be department issued. Your radio would be department issued. You know, your badge would be department issued. Your firearm, things like that is all department issued. So for your radio to be from eBay, oh nah, my boy. Yeah, you jammed up right now.
Think on this for a minute. Okay, I'm gonna have you have a seat in my car for a minute, okay? But never registered it. The license plate is off of a Bluebird school bus from Tucker, Georgia. That's how you got a GB tag.
Radio check this thing.
That's PA. Is it just a scanner? The jacket in the back seat is just a regular old raincoat. It doesn't say police on it. Got it? Beautiful. Put this in the bag with all of the other evidence, because that's going to be evidence also.
You don't have Mike. So I guess it's not.
So we used to ask around.
Yeah, man, that dude is done, man. Who the hell is gonna pretend to be a cop? Like, who? Come on, man. Come on, man. And you know how dangerous that is to have, you know, people in handcuffs driving and stuff. Like, he can't even defend himself. So you put him in cuffs, and how is he eventually gonna get out of cuffs? You know what I'm saying? Like, it's just like, that don't make no sense. That don't make no sense at all, bruh. Bro, and then you took a license plate off the school bus, bruh. A license plate off the school bus? Come on, man. Yo, listen, I'm telling you, it's not that hard to become a police officer nowadays. If that's what you want to do, and that's what your heart truly desires, you can do it. But you know this guy a bug out. You could look at him all in the face and tell he a bug out. When they first rolled up on him, man, you could tell this dude is tuned out, man. He yeah, look at him. Watch this. Look at this dude. Look at this dude.
What was the story with that?
They were just drunk.
All right.
And
whose handcuffs is he wearing?
mine. He took off. He jumped in the SUV and took off.
Yeah.
Look at this dude.
I mean, it's Metro to Fair, so like almost down to 166.
Yeah, he looked like a bug out. He looked like a bug out, for real, for real. You know, hey, he can't make it in no police academy, man.
Watch when I get in the mood. No time for the fakes. When you see me, I see you, no FaceTime. Shoot my shot, green beam. 2K shit that get a nigga lean.